In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete shortcut on Google Chrome. Vertical bar, remove shortcut on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and create a new tab. You can do that by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser or by using your usual shortcut for opening a new tab. Once the new tab page appears, look at the shortcut tiles in the center of the screen. These are the small website icons that give you quick access to specific pages. Now move your cursor over the exact shortcut tile that you want to delete. When you hover over it, Chrome will reveal a small three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of that shortcut tile. This icon gives you more options for that specific shortcut, so make sure you are hovering over the correct one before you continue. Next, click the three dots menu icon. A small drop-down menu will appear with available actions for that shortcut. In that menu, click Remove. As soon as you do that, the shortcut will disappear from your new tab page. If you do not see the menu right away, move your cursor slowly over the tile again and give it a moment. On some screens, the icon may only appear clearly when your cursor is directly on the shortcut. This is normal, so just position your mouse carefully and try again. That covers everything you need to know.